So this is a video of my 1955 Chevrolet. It's got a 350 small block. Engine was built in 1997. It runs excellent. Probably has about 18 to 20,000 miles on it. I'm selling it in order to get a bigger motor, a big block. I'm replacing it. So included in this is the basically Holley 4-barrel. It's got Moon valve covers, Moon air cleaner, jet coated headers. Includes the radiator. It's a factory stock style, but it's a copper core with powder coating. Basically everything you're looking at here is including it. It's a turnkey engine ready to go. Runs excellent, about 300 horsepower. I'll let you see what it sounds like from the back. The car is available now to see with the engine in it. I'm going to be taking it out, and it will be available to pick up in approximately 2 weeks.